Yan ang kasama si former Congressman Saldico, Southwest, or Bisaya din.
But one thing convinced, many believe the real masterminds are still out there, free, powerful, and untouched.
Hindi na ako mananahimik.
And now, the overseas takes a shocking turn. President Dr. Saldico, who has been hostile, finally speaks out. In a reported video statement, both directing on fingers at President Marcos, claiming that through his cabinet secretaries, the president personally ordered a 100 billion peso budget insertion during last year's bicameral conference committee.
Boom, boom.
The president's cousin, then House Speaker Martin Romualdez, told him not to return to the Philippines, promising he would be protected by the president himself.
Nagsimula ito, ang mga Pilipinas, parang ang sabi, nung nag-umpisa ang bypass process, last year, 2024. Ang sabi niya, katapos na nalito nila, ang Pangulo, may spasyo na mag-insert o pasok ng 100 billion worth of projects sa bypass. At sinabi pa ni Sekina,
Ops!
dahil may kasama sila, ang hindi ng Pangulo BBM. Right after our conversation, tinawagan ko po ang Speaker Martin Romualdez at nireport ko yung fashion ng Presidente to insert the 100 billion projects. Ang sinabi niya sa akin, what the President wants is, pagkatapos ng ilang araw, ay informed sila ang Speaker Martin Romualdez, Sekina Panagaman, yung Secretary of Sani, and yung Secretary of Finance, pwede bibigyan ng patok o kapag dahil sa sobra ang pinabilis funds versus sa effect in practice. Hindi pwede magpapati ang budget ng pinabilis kaysa edukasyon. Yung balance ng pinililan, ilagay lang sa program funds for the 2025 budget dahil Office of the President na nag-release ng lahat ng program funds. Kaya po nagpataka ko kung bakit sinasabi ni Pangulo na hindi niya makilala ang budget. Samantalang at ang ginawa sa pinagdag sa mga ahensya ng gobyerno ay humihingi ng tulong sa kanya si Sekina Pangulo.
Saldico is overseas, but authorities say his whereabouts are under close watch. Pressure is mounting on government agencies to cancel his passport and issue a home departure order. Spent with forces referred to the country. But even before both dragged the president into the controversy, party manager after wondering push for that now.
Ayusan na. Sige na, ayusan mo. Dali na, kaya mo yan. Dali na.